Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today is day number 11 for my advent calendar unboxing. Let's just pop open this little door and see what's inside. Awesome, more dies. I think it is so neat that they're giving us so many dies because stamps are kind of easy to make and produce, and they're cheap to make. Just being really frank with you. I love stamps, do not get me wrong, but metal dies are expensive to make, and they're giving us so many in this advent calendar. So let's just see what we have. Oh cool, there's some banner dies. Okay, so this is just the main banner die, and this looks like it would be kind of like the tag or like the ending swag, if you will, from the banner. Then you can add in some sentiments. We have sending hugs, we have it's your day, and hello there. All very nice and usable sentiments in my opinion. Those could be for many different occasions and for many different recipients. So awesome. Anyway, if you are opening this with me, let me know in the comments. If not, maybe you're just enjoying this. I know that this was a limited edition product, so I'm so sorry if you weren't able to purchase it, but I guess that's kind of the specialness of this product, and I guess that's just the way the cookie crumbles. But the die number for this die is S2360W9. My mistake, W9. Thank you so much for watching today, and come on back for number 12 tomorrow. That's way up here. And oh, that's from door number 7. I thought for a second I opened 12 and I got kind of worried. Anyway, come on back tomorrow for day number 12. Bye.